Good afternoon. My name is Samir Kumar Chauhan, and I am excited to present my project, BrainAI, an AI-powered mental health assessment and recommendation system. The main objective of the project is to building a complete AI/ML-powered application that accesses user mental health status via interactive questionnaire and provide personalized recommendations. As we know that the mental health issues are often underreported or overlooked due to stigma or lack of access. This project aims to provide an accessible, user-friendly, and AI-supported way for users to reflect on their mental health and get personalized guidance, all while respecting their privacy and ensuring simplicity. Now let me show you how the app works. But before that, let's focus on some key features. This project is built using a RESTful API for receiving the questionnaire input and returning prediction, ML-based classification for mental health status, and modular design to integrate easily with front-end recommendation engine. The technology used in this is Python, Django REST framework, scikit-learn, Pandas, NumPy, and Railway for the deployment. In order to set up it in your personal computer, just paste this link in the VS Code or the terminal in order to clone the repository. Now moving towards the implementation, uh, here we are first creating a demo dataset in order to train the classification model. And then this is the dataset which was created after the running that file. And here is the training of the model take place based on that data. For this task, we are taking a logistic regression model for classification. After that, use these model files, in order to access those models, we are creating a function inside the model.py, which will provide the prediction based on the input. And this function we are accessing in this views.py, which take the response from the user using the front end and then provide information like prediction in a JSON format. And in order to get the prediction, we are redirecting it to the predict part, which will be accessing in this BrainAI project URLs.py API. After this, our the API is ready. And then we deployed the API to the render then and then we deployed the API to the Railway API deployment cloud service. Here let's see whether the API is working or not. So for that, here are the inputs which we are going to put there, and it's successfully predicting the mental health status. Just give me a moment. Okay. Now moving toward the front end part of the project. For the front end, we are using a Streamlit framework in order to create the UI of the project. For that, this is a file. So in order to create the UI, uh, here is a recommendation based on the condition, and here is a list of the question. It was deployed on the render. which we get from here. We'll take some. Okay, it was started. Now here is a list of the questions based on the PHQ-9 depression assessment, and here is a question based on the anxiety assessment. After marking these questions, let's submit the question form. And here is the mental health status, and based on that status, we are provided with a list of recommendations what we can do in order to improve the condition. And in order to use this API run locally, you can clone it with this by pasting it on a terminal. And in our thank you.